guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Irene. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Yeah, we are coming out from the village, and this is our road, which is under construction. Yeah, I did a video from this place a few days ago, but again we have amazing progress. So it looks like we're going to walk all the way to down there, then we call it a day. Yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, so even in the village, everything is amazing. See where I'm passing? I want to go to that side, then I cross. And I am here. Been walking for the past 3 hours. Yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, guys. Yes, we are now entering somewhere. I was from the road, and then I found the road crossed. Yeah, so we are here. We're here. Village life. You hear those amazing sounds from the birds. We're still doing this video on Sunday. Yeah, I've been walking for like 5 good hours. Well, I'm so tired, but yeah, we have to do this. You see, I told you, like, people, like, trees are like everywhere. Everywhere. These are like the main source of income in my village. Yeah. Like you can sell the factory, or you can make timbers that you sell. Yeah. So this is how everything looks like. And it's almost raining. Well, okay. Very relevant here now. Please guys, support me by subscribing to this channel. Yeah, you can also donate to the channel. My PayPal is in my description. Also, I have my Mpesa number if you wish to support me. Please, I need to start traveling. Kindly support me. Yeah, so but no pressure. No pressure. Yeah, pole pole too, slowly by slowly. Yeah, so these are now the village roads. I'm from the main road. Now I'm inside, and there is a certain river here. There's a certain river down there. I'm going to show you in a bit. Yeah. Now, guys, I'm heading back to my village. I'm from somewhere here, certain village. Now I'm crossing to my village. Yeah. I feel like I'm so tired. My head is paining, but okay, we call it. That is how everything goes here in the village. There's a river here. Beautiful trees everywhere. Let me show you the river. It's been raining. We have a lot of water this side. And that is the bridge. You see the bridge over there? The small bridge. Back street of my town now. I'm heading my hometown. I'm super tired, guys. So tired. We go this way. Huh? The camera is not clear that side because of the direction of the sun, but please bear with me.